guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this doily lace design on Adobe Photoshop. So we're going to use this lace. I'm just going to add that here, like so. And then we are going to add a solid background, so solid color and then select black. Then we're going to place it underneath the doily. We're going to then select the doily here, select, and then we're going to select color range, and you're going to select the black background. Then we're going to select OK, and then we are going to invert that, and we're going to mask that as well. Right click, convert to smart object, and then we're going to move this up. Then we're going to press Control and we're going to select this, but make sure it's on this layer. Then we're going to mask that again. Then we're just going to hide the doily layer, and this is what it looks like. Super cool. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!